Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Visual Studio Code completely. All you have to do is go for search, then type for control panel. After you click control panel, go for right corner and click for large icons. Then click programs and look for programs and features. After that, scroll down and look for Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Then click Uninstall. Click again, yes. And then wait for seconds. Now, your Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.